Hi there, I'm John Laspina. Today I want to demonstrate how to use a Keto Mojo blood meter. It measures your blood ketones and your blood glucose level. So this is my Keto Mojo kit, and this is a box of strips, and I'm going to demonstrate for you. So this is the meter, and this is the little device you use to get the blood from your finger. It comes with two different strips, the ketone strips and the glucose strips. So I'm going to take a strip for ketones and take a strip for glucose. And the part I dislike the most is getting them out of the package. But they're sealed. So there's the ketone strip. And let me get my glucose strip out. There's the glucose strip. Okay. So I pull my lancet out, and you prick your finger, and it puts a tiny sharp little needle, so you can get your drop of blood. So the first thing I do is I put the ketone strip, let me show you real close in the camera what it looks like. The bottom part goes in the meter, the top part sucks the blood in. I'm going to put this in the meter first, like this. It turns on, and it's waiting to receive my blood. So now I'm going to prick my finger. I do the side of my finger like this. Okay, and I squeeze, and there's my blood. See my blood? And now I'm going to let the strip suck in the blood. All right, it's beeping, and then it's going to do a countdown. I should be 0.5 or higher to be in ketosis. And I'm 1.2. All right, great. So I'm going to eject the strip. Now I'm going to just put the glucose strip in now. Let's see what my blood glucose is. Using the same prick without changing it. I'm going to get the blood on from the glucose. Okay, I should be under 100, and I'm 78. So what I do now, I have an app for the Keto Mojo meter on my phone. It will take the two numbers, the ketone number and the blood glucose number, and it comes up with another number which tells you more details about how you are metabolically. So I am in ketosis. I had no question about it. I'm pretty much always in ketosis, but that validates it. So for those of you who are just starting eating a ketogenic way of eating, I used to use this once a day just to confirm that I was on the right track. And it motivated me to continue eating well. And I wanted to check my numbers every day and see if I could continue to stay in ketosis. I found out also that my numbers are more accurate, or they show that I'm in ketosis later in the afternoon, because in the morning there's something called the dawn phenomenon, the dawn effect, and your body will shoot out some glucose and cortisol to wake you up in the morning. So it's not really the most accurate time to test your ketones and your glucose. So you do it later in the day. And now I only do this maybe once a month, just to confirm that everything is going great with my way of eating and I'm healthy. So Keto Mojo is the name of the product, and you can buy it online. That's what the meter looks like. That's where you put the sticks in, and it's really kind of cool. Wanted to do a demonstration video for you. One of the tools, many tools, to confirm that you're eating well and you're feeling well. And that's your blood ketones and your blood glucose. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Take care.